Hello, Eagles. How is everybody doing? I hope you're doing well. And I wanted to give you an inspiration today. Actually, something to think about, right? I want you to just think about you as an individual, whatever your name is. John, Paul, Matthew, Mark, or Sheila, Sandra, whatever your name is. Think about the process that happened for you to be here on earth, whichever country you are. You are a miracle. Do you know the odds of you actually happening? They are one in who knows how many millions. But you made it this far. You made it this far to the point that you've grown into an adult and you can hear me speak. If you're hearing me, you are a miracle. And you came with special giftings that are to be unveiled, revealed to you here. So I want you to take courage and actually share those instincts that you have within you. Share them with boldness, knowing you are a miracle. Your uniqueness, that unique gift you came with, is your special selling point. So that uniqueness is exactly what we need. You don't have to be like any other person. Just follow. I call them the breadcrumbs. Follow the breadcrumbs, those little rain droplets of ideas that are dropping in, and you will get to the actual greatness of why you are here. And the beauty of revealing yourself in what you do and all your great potential is it helps others. Other people will take courage from you to become the best version of themselves, you see? So you are a miracle. You're wonderfully made, perfectly made for this time, for this season. Those experiences and those mistakes or failures you may have happened to you, those are lessons. Those are your stepping stones. Those are the ladders those are the lessons you're carrying through this ladder of transformation, through this ladder of success. So carry all the nuggets from the failure and carry them with you as you get through this transformation. But the miracle of you is what we need right now. You've got everything. You don't need to look outside of you. I like to call the Holy Spirit our inner GPS, right? The inner GPS is always working. Even when you take the wrong turn, the inner GPS will say redirecting, and will bring you back to the right path. So be bold. Listen to that inner voice that's happening to you. Follow your instinct even when it doesn't make sense. And guess what? It won't make sense to most people. Just keep following one lesson after another, one experience after another, and before you know it, you will have that idea that, something is unraveling here, and I'm ready to be exposed with something so genius, something that eye has not seen, ear has not heard, nor has it entered the hearts of men. How you will get blessed, but other people will get blessed too by you being you. So for today, you are the miracle. Stand tall, stand proud, show yourself. I love you all. This is Mother Eagle. Talk to you soon. Bye.